Hi, my name is Anna, and I'm a medical assistant with Aylo Health. Well, along with having a great company culture and really helping me work in a field that I'm passionate about, Aylo's also great because I'm able to be supported beyond just my work life. I think what makes Aylo special is kind of a twofold thing. Both just the work environment in general. Everyone is so supportive, and we're there for each other as well as there for the patients. And then I'm also able to use a lot of the skills that I've learned, as well as doing things like greeting patients and interacting. I've also done a lot of training, and I can help physicians as well. And I'm basically able to use the full range of skills that I learned and incorporate it every day, which makes it real fulfilling. We're able to work together as a team, but also there's just there's like a family element to it, I think, that describes it the best. Yeah, we're coworkers, but we're more than that because we're able to help each other, but also joke around, and it just is very warm and welcoming, and yeah, a different work experience that makes it stand out and stand apart. We are seeing these patients regularly, so it's not a situation where you're just kind of in and out. You come in, send you on your way. It's not that sort of situation. We actually are able to develop a relationship with our patients, which is great because not only am I able to see the same people and help them, I'm also able to see other family members, or if someone has had a kid and it's their first visit, we're there for them kind of throughout all of their life and form deep connections, which has been really rewarding. Yeah.